Today we're going to review our notes from the previous days, and what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to write questions, and we're going to concentrate on just level 1 basic questions. And as the weeks progress, we'll move on to level 2, level 3 questions as we get better at this. But level 1 question is just writing basic, identifying things. So we're going to try to come up with a question to help us with this information that we came up with in our notes. So here we learned distributive property. So we can say how to simplify different expressions using the distributive property. Okay, so that's great to have that. So now when you're taking your quiz or test, you can read this and go, oh, I learned about distributive property, and there's that information. Okay, so that's a level 1 question. We could do another question here to match up this information here. So we can say simplify using distributive property. So for this one, you're not asking a question, but you can also do like a quick statement so that you can match up with your notes. On the bottom here, you should have summary. Okay, so if you have a summary, you can summarize. But today we're not going to talk about summary. We're just doing questionings here so that we're filling it out. Okay, so I want you to go back to your notes, and I want you to do this is coming up with like basic questions. How to solve 1-step equation, how to solve 2-step equation. Okay, so very basic leveling questions for right now. We will go more in details as we progress through this school year.